There's a bit of a line at Grange today. Track's already kind of full. We're close to the front of the line, but there's still quite a line behind us. And don't forget, the line goes all the way up the hill. Hey, what's up guys? We're out here at the April 10th Flavor Express event at Grange Motor Speedway. You can see we got the S13 and the S14 back here right now. We drove them here to the event, no trailers this time, and they made it all the way out here with no incidents. So today, we're gonna try and rip it as much as we can. The plan for the track is hot laps all day, but we'll see how much track time we actually get with all the people here, because there is a shitload of people here. This is the back parking area, and it is slammed. So, we'll see how today goes. I'll get a bunch of GoPro footage while I'm in the car. Hopefully I can get some pictures of the rest of the action. And yeah, we'll just have a good day. With us today we have my S14, Matt in the S13, and then our buddy Philly in his Lexus. Completely stock, this one's mostly his daily, but he's out here to send it today. Well guys, funny story. The guy who bought my 350 is here to drift my 350. Turns out one of his buddies is the guy that came drifting with me and Matt today. Here she is. Same car, new owner. Still got my wheels on there. New back wheels to drift on. Well, that's not good. When your brake lines catch on fire at the track. Round 2 for Matt today. Covered his tire in coolant too. Alright guys, that's the end of the Flavor Express event for us. The 240s are still running. Matt's 240 is having an overheating problem. He thinks the thermostat's stuck, so that's got him off the track for the rest of the day. Billy's getting his car up on the trailer right now, watching those nice ass work rims go up there. And on my car, the oil pressure seems to be dying slowly with every lap I do. So I decided I'm gonna stop lapping the car, we're gonna take it home. So we got some rear bumper damage here. Knocked that sucker pretty loose. There's the damage itself. Other than that, the car is totally fine, which is awesome.